steam from the kettle curls in the pale gray light. Mismatched mugs on the counter, your book left open last night. It's high time for the sunrise, but the sky is still making up its mind. I look through the window, watch the day fall into line. High time before the day begins, when nothing's asking who will win. In the long run I might lose weight or lose interest in the race, but right now I just breathe and sip and wait. High time before the day learns my name. Mail on the table, bills you forgot to hide, half-done list on a napkin, all your plans in crooked lines. I look through every promise, like clothes you grew out of fast. In the long run they might matter, but this quiet feels built to last. High time before the day begins, when nothing's asking who will win. In the long run I might lose weight or lose interest in the race, but right now I just breathe and sip and wait. High time before the day learns my name.